Turkey's first national naval missile ATMACA received its national engine. ATMACA Missile, with integrated KTJ-3200 Turbojet Missile Engine, successfully completed the firing test. Roketsan continues to increase the localization rate of national missile systems and end its foreign dependency. A new firing test of the ATMACA Anti-Ship Missile, developed by Roketsan in response to the needs of the Turkish Naval Forces Command, was recently carried out. ATMACA Anti-Ship Missile, which is equipped with national subsystems, especially the engine, and whose localization rate has increased at a record rate, showed great success in the firing test. ATMACA Anti-Ship Missile, which has the ability to follow its root legs in flight and attack its target from a few meters high with its Super Sea-Skimming capability, was launched from the BARBAROS coastal defense system vehicle during the firing test. ATMACA took off with its booster engine after being fired from the truck, and then continued its flight by activating the KTJ-3200 Turbojet Missile Engine developed by KTJ with national resources. The ATMACA missile with a range of 250+ kilometers and the KTJ-3200 Turbojet Missile Engine with a thrust capacity of 3,200 N were developed within the scope of the projects initiated by the Presidency of Defense Industries. Following the activation of the flight engine, the ATMACA missile, which aimed at its target at different speeds and flight profiles, successfully completed all the tasks assigned to it within the scope of the test scenario. Thus, the ATMACA missile, which went into low-rate mass production with the French TR-40 engine in the past period, also gained its domestic engine. Following the elimination of the difficulties caused by France in engine supply with the domestic engine, ATMACA is now expected to start full-scale mass production. According to open sources, Roketsan recently signed a contract with the Indonesian Ministry of Defense for the export of ATMACA anti-ship missiles. With the introduction of the domestic engine, ATMACA export activities are expected to accelerate. Roketsan ATMACA missile, a work of Turkish engineering, is among the most advanced anti-ship missiles in the world. ATMACA owns its long-range, Super Sea-Skimming, low radar cross-section and ability to follow root legs reinforce this position. While the US-made Harpoon Block 2 has a range of 130 kilometers, the French-made Exocet Block 3 has a range of 200 kilometers and the Italian-made Automat Mk2 Block 4 has a range of 180 kilometers. ATMACA has a range of 250+ kilometers.